Welcome to this year's first online networking meet for all India members organized by We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. I hope my voice is clear.
Clear.
Yes, yes.
I would like to welcome each of you. We have attendees from Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Hooghly, Kolkata, Mouda, Noida, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Faridabad. So thank you so much, each of you, for joining in today. Before we introduce our V members from different parts of the country, let me introduce V Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, as many of you have joined in new. So we are 3+ years old organization. We are 8,200 members in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Assam, and Singapore. So before the lockdown last year, we were only 2,900. Within 1.5 years, now we are 8,200 plus. So during the lockdown last year, we started up with Assam and Singapore. This year on 28th May, we launched We Lucknow. So we promote our women entrepreneurs through WhatsApp and Facebook groups, offline and online events, offline and online, and social media as well. So during pandemic, we didn't stop. Last year, we started with many online programs to promote our V members who are speakers, who are into service industries, and who are into products as well. We did around more than 15 plus online programs. We did celebrity talk shows. We did corporate speakers. A lot of corporate speakers came into. We had a lot of online networking meet, panel discussions, online health conclaves. We did CG Expo. We celebrated National Handloom Day last year. We did pre-festive exhibition online, where our V members across India displayed their products, exclusive products. Friends, all these events are also witnessed by a lot of celebrities who also connected to our members later on for their products. A lot of domestic and international collaborations happen because of this online events. For example, Pune and Kolkata members collaborated. Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata members collaborated. Domestic V members could open their market internationally, as we have few members in Australia, Japan, and Dubai as well. So during the lockdown itself, we started our We Online store, that is www.we-online.com. It's an e-commerce platform for women entrepreneurs. Very, very exclusive products, let me tell you. So you support actually three communities. We have some products from our rural entrepreneurs, some urban entrepreneurs trade them, and a part of profit goes to We Clean project, which donates to the needy. Until we created this We Clean project since last 3 years, through which we donate sanitary pads and hand sanitizers to less privileged girls and ladies from slum and rural areas. Through this project last year during the pandemic we started donating mask, ration, and food packets to the needy. In fact, we ordered masks from the rural entrepreneurs so that they get work. We ordered food from our own V members and donated to the needy. In this way, we supported both the communities. This year, during pandemic, we have distributed food packets, ration, and hygiene kits to more than 3,000 needy. Our help went to various interior places and rural places in India. Um, on 28th May, we celebrated World Menstrual Hygiene Day by distribution of hygiene kits to 1,500 needy girls and ladies. We reached interiors of West Bengal by donating ration and medical needs to the villagers there. For these, I would like to thank all our donors and V members for their support. This year, we felicitated women entrepreneurs in March in presence of celebrities and bureaucrats. That was an offline event. This year, we also officially launched We Weavers India project, where we are connecting rural entrepreneurs to urban India. Again, here you actually support three communities: the rural weavers, the urban women entrepreneurs, and definitely a part of profit is shared to We Clean project, which supports the needy. Last month, we organized three online panel discussions on business continuity during adversity and health conclave by our own V members from different parts of India and Singapore. We also organize extremely knowledgeable panel discussion with all India doctors from different parts of the country on post-COVID and vaccination. You can get all the links through in our YouTube channel of me, where you can see these events. Now, I would also like to announce our upcoming events from next month. We have online exhibition on National Handloom Day, that is on 7th of August. Online presentations by members from service, training, and food industry on 8th August. We have panel discussions in September. These are all online. We have pre-festive exhibition in October, again online. And of course, various offline events are also planned from November onwards. We also have a group for men, which is men in business, called E4BM, that is Enclave for Businessmen. So let's begin. But before we start, some online rules, please. I would request each of you to kindly mute yourself. Attendees, I request you to kindly take your pen and paper so that you can ask questions at the end to our speakers. You will also need to fill up the feedback forms, which I will be posting on the chat box. So if at all you don't get opportunity to speak and ask questions to our speakers, you can connect them offline. We will help you to do that. If you wish to attend upcoming events, you need to fill up the feedback form, which I will be posting. Non-members who want to join, we also need to fill up the feedback forms. Our location heads will connect you. And yes, remember, today is only introduction. Each of you will get 1 minute to speak about yourself. Request you to please maintain the time, because we have a lot of speakers. Don't worry, you will get opportunity to showcase your products or do PowerPoint presentations on 7th and 8th of August. And yes, don't forget to write your name and contact details on the chat box. However, kindly don't post any group links, please. So without wasting any more time, let us start the most exciting online introductions by all India members, which is a great opportunity to collaborate and know your co-members all India. So the flow of the introductions will be, we start with our core team members, then our royal members, then silver members, and then the bronze members. And yes, names will be taken only if you have registered and as per first come first basis. So please don't complain me later that you were not invited, or you were invited at the last for the interaction, because we clearly mentioned that you have to register to get this opportunity. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I would like to invite Vaishali Parekh. She is V Head from Kolkata and also Associate Vice President. So Vaishali, over to you.
Thank you, Chaitali. A very warm welcome to all the attendees today. We definitely would be enjoying the session today and co-working and networking with each other. Well, about myself, I am an author of lots of ebooks. I have a website called www.indian-cooking.info, in which I have got 14 free ebooks and a paid ebook, a well-researched one on home remedies. You can go log into my website www.indian-cooking.info. I have got another venture which is by the name of Viva Creatives, in which I manufacture shagun items, quilt items, festive items, and trade a lot of gift items too. Whoever wants to join in my venture as a reseller are also welcome, as well as clients. Definitely, I would like to cater to all of you and would try my best to give you the customized packages to you too. Well, thank you so much, Chaitali and Lee, for promoting all of us.
Thank you, Vaishali. I would also like you to mention how you collaborated with the Australia V member.
I collaborated with Australia V member through the V WhatsApp group. She wanted few things and she contacted me, and then we are collaborating with each other, and I'm supplying a lots of things to her regularly. In fact, I have got resellers from Pune, from Mumbai, who are in touch with me throughout, and I have got very, very good reseller networking system through V, and I have got very good clients too.
Okay, thank you so much, Vaishali. And yes, Vaishali is working so hard in Kolkata, maintaining this group very, very well. Thank you so much, Vaishali. So next, I would like to welcome Meenu Verma, who is V Core Mumbai and also Associate Director Events of V.
Hi, Chetali.
Yes, Meenu, we can't see you. And I
Uh,
request some of our V Core team members to kindly please take the clicks of our members.
yeah, just wait. Hi, everyone. I'm just sorry, I'm just a little busy with my work. So, yeah, hi. Chetali, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear. We can hear you, Meenu. You can start your introduction.
Yeah, hi. I'm Meenu Verma and Mrs. India 2018. I'm with Chetali since from last 3 years, and I really like it. And recently, I'm coming up with the event Iconic Passionista Top Model, which we are doing for the offline mostly.
Okay, thank you, Meenu. Meenu is actually doing a program along with which is iconic fashionista top model of India for three categories. One is for regular women from 16 to 80 years. Sorry, 16 to 30 years. Then the general category, and third is for men. The online registrations are on till 31st July. I would request each of you to kindly register if you want to do. And yes, we also have iconic fashionista top model of India for kids as well. Okay. Thank you, Meenu, so much.
Yeah,
So
thank you, Chetali.
next, I would like to welcome. Thank you. I would like to welcome Madhumita Ghosh, who is the V Core team member and associate vice president of V. Madhumita Ghosh. Madhumita Ghosh.
Hi, yeah. Hi, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, Madhumita, we can hear you. Yes.
Yeah, I am Madhumita, and I have been into financial vertical. I am a financial trainer come coach, and also an advisor. And I have really grown in these few years with me in the sense doing a good networking and getting a very good platform where you can showcase your services and products. And I feel this is a fantastic platform for new and fresh people who are interested in entrepreneurship to go ahead in life. This will provide a great platform for you. So thank you, everybody. So in case anybody has any requirement on investment, I am there for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madhumita Di, who had been with me since beginning when we were only 12 members. So she has been always by side with and every time with me. She is a very strong pillar of we. Thank you, Madhumita Di. So next, I would like to welcome Deepti Vakade, who is V Head Nagpur. She is into fashion designing. Can I welcome Deepti, please?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Deepti, we can see you. Yes, Deepti.
Thank you, Chetali ji. Hello, everyone. I am Deepti Vakare, V Head from Nagpur, and associated with V since last 3 years. By profession, I am a fashion designer and stylish, having a own boutique, Nivi Nivi Creation, with the online portal and manufacturing unit. And also organize fashion events and fashion shows. Thank you, Chitali ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Deepti. And she has, during this pandemic in Nagpur, she has done a wonderful job with respect to donating and to various needy people there. She worked very hard for the We Clean project. Deepti, thank you so much. And recently, I think you were awarded as a warrior. What is that? I mean, some.
Warrior
What was that?
Awards
From where?
from Namaste India. Namaste Magazine India.
Okay, congratulations, Deepti.
Thank you so
So
much.
thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I would request those who have introduced kindly put your contact details on the chat box. Next, I would like to welcome Seema Suman, who is also VCO team from Mumbai. Seema, can we please see you?
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम सीमा सुमन है और मेरे फार्म का नाम ट्रूली मिथिला है। मैं हैंड पेंटेड मधुबनी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को डील करती हूँ और मैं वी के प्लेटफॉर्म में 2018 में एक्टिव मेंबर के तौर पर जुड़ी और इसमें मेरा नेटवर्क भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग हुआ है और मैं मधुबनी आर्ट में भी मेरे पास बहुत सारे न्यू कलेक्शन आ रहे हैं जो मैं 7 अगस्त को दिखाने वाली हूँ। तो प्लीज़ आप लोग सब जरूर आएँ और उस मेरे प्रोडक्ट को जरूर देखें और हम लोग सब एक दूसरे को साथ देंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you. Seema has lovely products and you will also get her products on v-online.com. Seema, अपना contact details यहाँ पे डाल दीजिए. And I'm also waiting for your Madhubani printed sarees. Okay, so I would like to purchase them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to welcome V Mumbai member, V core team member, Minky Ghosh.
Good evening, my dear friends. I am audible, Didi?
Yes, you are audible.
My name is Minky Ghosh. मैं अंधेरी ओशिवारा से बात कर रही हूँ। मेरा जो बिजनेस नेम है, मेरे बिजनेस का हैंडलूम बिजनेस है, उसका नाम है मिंकीज हैंडलूम। मिंकीज हैंडलूम एक्चुअली प्रोवाइड करता है ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ साड़ीज लाइक कॉटन सिल्क, जामदानी, लिलन, मुस्लिम जामदानी, कोटा, मधुबनी, बनारसी सिल्क, तसर सिल्क, कलमकारी, ऑर्गेन्जा, ताँत साड़ी, बालूचरी एंड सिल्क साड़ीज। ऑल द साड़ीज आर हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट्स और ये मेरा जो प्रोडक्ट्स है ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स वेस्ट बंगाल, बनारस, झारखंड एंड उड़ीसा। और मेरा बुटीक मैं अपने घर से ही ओशिवारा से चला रही हूँ और मैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एग्जीबिशंस भी करती हूँ। सो इफ यू वांट एनी नीडी कोई साड़ी आपको हैंडलूम एक्सक्लूसिव साड़ीज की अगर आपको जरूरत है so please contact me and please visit my Oshiwara boutique. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Minky has lovely sarees from Bangladesh and I'm waiting to purchase her muslin sarees. Minky's products are also available on v-online.com. Thank you, Minky. Next, I would like to welcome Ruchi Srivastava, who is also our V Core Mumbai team member.
Hello friends, my name is Ruchi Srivastava, owner of Vedi Beauty Care Natural Products I'm making. And thank you Chaitali. मेरे ख्याल से वी से जुड़ के मुझे 3 years हो गए हैं और बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्रेस होता है वी के साथ जुड़ने के बाद. Then I'm making soap, body washes, shampoos, face washes, so many products I have. आप 7th of August को जरूर आइएगा और मेरा भी प्रोडक्ट देखिएगा. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Ruchi, and definitely I am using most of her products, beautiful products, and I'm fan of her product Kumkumadi face wash, really amazing product, and various other hair oil and every lot of products I'm using. Thank you, Ruchi, so much. And yes, her products are also available on v-online.com. Next, I would like to welcome Hetal Momaya. Is she there, Hetal?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hetal Momaya. Yes, Hetal, welcome.
Yeah, I'm here.
Hetal Momaya is
Thank
our
you so
royal
much.
member. Yes, Hetal, please introduce yourself.
I make splash customized homemade herbal soaps, face wash, body wash, hand sanitizer, and shampoo. I've been associated with V from the past 2.5, 3 years now. And I've been really happy with the team because everybody has been very supportive with each other and everybody has been helping support. And definitely, Chaitali ji has always been a mentor and she's always encouraged all of us to, like, you know, whenever we were not able to do any such progress, she always was there to help us. So I'm really happy with the way she encouraged us and I'm very happy with the V team. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Hetal. Wonderful product she also has. Thank you. Next, we welcome Amisha Shah. Is she there? Amisha, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, Amisha is also a royal member.
Yeah, I'm Amisha
Yes, Amisha,
Shah.
please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Amisha Shah. I'm into diamond business from last 22 years and I handle the administration part of it. Basically, our diamond business was started by my grandfather and we do lot many charities also. We are running a hospital in Juhu, Arogya Nidhi, Bharti Arogya Nidhi. Okay, thank you.
So thank you so much, Amisha, for lovely introduction. Maria Samuel, are you there? Maria Samuel,
Yes,
can I see you, please?
yes, I'm there very much.
Yeah, hi Maria, how are you? She is also our royal member. This year she has joined in the month of March. Welcome, Maria.
Hello, thank you, Chaitali, for this invite, and I'm so happy to be part of the Zoom meet. And it's been an awesome experience to be part of this woman enterprising group. You know, I come across a lot of women doing interesting stuff, and it's kind of amazing the way Chaitali is also encouraging people to come forward and exhibit their talent and exhibit their goods. Just a brief intro about myself. I am the director of this company called Gulmarg Ski Academy. We're the only company in India reintroducing winter sports, basically skiing and snowboarding in India. So for all adventure enthusiasts and who wants to take life to another level, please do contact me and I'll be happy to be a part of new adventure in people's life.
A short introduction. Thank you, Maria. Thank you so much for lovely introduction. Next, I would like to welcome Seema Babani, who is also with us since last more than 2 years. Seema, can we please see you?
Thank you so much and warm welcome everybody. It's a pleasure being here and associated with Chaitali as usual. So yes, guys, I'm an image consultant. वो कहते हैं ना जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So if your appearance is not appealing, how are you going to be invited? How people are going to come and approach you? How people are going to come and talk to you? So guys, your appearance has to be एकदम झकास जो बोलते हैं ना, it has to leave an impact. So working on your first impression is what I do. I help professionals to reach the pinnacle of their career through revamping the appearance with A, B, C of science of first impression. Now, when I say A, B, C, it is like A is for appearance, B is for grooming and etiquette, and C is for communication skills. So with all these together, you know, holistically is what we work for an individual with his appearance. So I would like to mention my 6 highlight service pointers. The first one, which I would like to say is like, you know, when you are having when you keep yourself as when you introduce yourself as a brand, when you are, you know, when you create a brand for yourself, that's how people are going to remember you. That's how people are going to appreciate you, you know. So in that, even your confidence will boost. So this is what I help people: personal branding with personal style. Then student mentoring program for all their roles and goals. Now we have students from 8th standard where they start doing everything on their own. They have to, you know, beat the 10th standard, then they have to prepare for college, then they have to prepare for interview. So having interview skills, communication skills, time management, all these things is what like there is in this program which I curate for the students in hand with their appearance and grooming and communication skills. Okay. The third is color analysis with a difference. Now I say there's a color palette you all own by birth. You have a separate, different color palette. Everybody has their exclusive and very innovative color palette. So if you use those colors, it's going to be favorable for your appearance. So this is what I introduce you to your color palette. And the other one is bride and groom transition to enter smoothly as Mr. and Mrs. Like when we get married, we go and, you know, we have to serve the new family. We have to leave an impression. We have to, create love. We have to, you know, a lot of things is there in our, it's our responsibility, isn't it? खाना अच्छे से बना के देने का है, घर को घर बनाने का है, you know, husband को भी अच्छे से देखना है, impression छोड़ना है. So a lot of things. अगर उसमें, if an image consultant takes care of your wardrobe, aren't you sorted? don't you think you are going to create impact, and you're going to be the apple of the eye of everybody's, of your family members, the new family members, I would say. So I think it's very important to, leave a good impression, be in the good books in your in-laws, isn't it? Then the last and not the least, I would say, motherhood styling throughout and grooming in and out specialist I am. I am like now 53 years old, and I've seen a lot of women going through motherhood. So motherhood also is something where, a lot of ladies, they become very demotivated, and they don't feel good about themselves. It is obvious because they themselves, they change. The hormones are changing, the appearance is changing, the mood swings are happening. They don't know what to do. The husband doesn't know how to take care of it. So image consultant can help you over there also. And the last, enhancing etiquette to get you over the top. अगर तुम अच्छे दिखते हो, अच्छे से पोस्ट करते हो, गेस्चर अच्छा होता है, सब कुछ अच्छा होता है, लेकिन your mannerism, your etiquette, they are bakwas. How do you think you will be there sitting with, a lot of people, with professional people, you have to mingle with the people over there. You have to be with the environment. So even the etiquette is very important. So that is what I do. So guys, anything in this, if you need or anybody you think needs a complete makeover, my social media, my contact number is there in the chat. So you can always contact me. Thank you, Chaitali. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Seema, for really, you have always been motivating us. Okay, thank you so much. Seema Babani is also our royal member. And now I would like to welcome Mehak Hemnani. She is also our royal member, and she has been with me since the beginning. Mehak, can we please see you?
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, hi Mehak, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good to see you, long time.
Yeah, it's been a very long time. I have seen you, and I miss a lot of your meetings and all these lovely ladies, interacting with them. So thank you for having me here. And I actually have left a class in between, and I have come to join you. So
yes,
I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I got muted by mistake. So listening to all these women again, it inspires me more. And my job actually is to inspire everyone to live a greater life, easier life, have more ease in every aspect of your life. But it's great to see so many amazing women who live here every single day, who are there, who are fighting it and living with all their issues, and being there for their family. Now, I have a question to each of you, that how many of you are being there for yourself? Because, coming to a forum, talking to everyone, showing your good side, showing your strong side is all okay. What about your true side? The things that you go into the bathroom and maybe, might be saying to yourself that this shit is not working and I'm not liking it. Is there a way to change it? And most people, when I was on my journey, even people from my family, older men, I see one uncle over here, they would tell me that, okay, adjust, beta, have a drink and you'll be fine. Get dressed and, go shopping, you'll be fine. And many people make money as their way of handling things. That means they will go shopping, they'll look good, they'll eat something good, they'll go spend time with some people and feel that, okay, I finally feel loved. I'll go back to the same struggles and same fight and same routine. What if you could change that? What if you stop having happiness and love in small doses? What if you can choose it fully? Because you deserve it as an infinite being, as a human being. You deserve to be happy 100%. Happy physically, happy personally in your personal life, your routine personal life, as well as in your professional life. Why should I have a boss who's nagging me? Yeah, or even in a life where, I get out of the house, I get my, my vehicle or my Uber with ease. I don't have fights with people. I don't have, issues with people. I don't have problems. One of the other things with this reality is that people think that if I have a problem and I surpass that problem, I'm a great person. I don't know how many books are written about people who have had cancer, surpassed it, and become okay. But the fact is that in the beginning, they chose that. They chose the cancers, they chose the tumors, they chose the illness, they chose the handicap. What if you didn't have to choose that? What choice? So one of the things that we all know, but we totally bypass is we have free will. You have the free will to choose your happiness, to choose the life that you wish to have. And one of the things about physical, when I talk about, like, how many of you women know that as women, you have a stronger sexual urge or sexual desire than a man? Like, just put up on the chat, I know this. Or maybe you don't know, but now you hear it and you feel, oh yes, that's true in me. We think that men have a stronger sexual urge, but it's actually women. And we suffer because of the limitations that we are in, the points of views that we have, the way this reality is. So you're welcome, any of you, to join me in any of my workshops, which bring you ease in every aspect of your life. They bring you ease in your workplace, your personal life, your physical body. Because when you give up anything, you know, I'm a parenting coach too, I'm a relationship coach too. And I often tell, and many of you must be parents, the moment you say no to your child for anything, saying a no to anyone for anything is equal to abuse. A word which is so not well defined. People think abuse is when somebody hits you, or somebody says something verbally to you, or you get sexual abuse. But abuse is every time even you deny yourself your happiness. It is abuse. So ladies, stop abusing yourself. Begin to love yourself. You are welcome to join any of the workshops that I do. I do some free workshops. I do some very low priced workshops. I do some workshops which are master classes on various topics, on relationships, on parenting, on whole life. And trust me, if you choose any of these, your lives in Wholesome will become holistically much, much, much better. And that's a guarantee. That's all from me today. And I hope to see you all. And we has been very, very, enterprising women. Lots of women from amongst you have chosen my workshops, even master classes, and they have benefited beyond imagination. In fact, before COVID came, many of them had done it, and after COVID also. And all the people who did my workshops before COVID, they came back to me and told me that, Mehak, we are so grateful to you for inspiring us to choose it before. Now we can see the difference between us and others. And, I have been speaking to Chaitali a lot with COVID, lockdown, with lots of us losing family, friends, people, seeing people in difficulty. Get present to this, that everyone is choosing their fate. They are choosing their suffering. In my own family, personal family, there has been no COVID death. Personal family is not a family of 8, it's a family of 150, 200 people. There is nobody who is sick, because when you do healing work on yourself, it has a ripple effect. Not only your life changes, when there's a ripple, everyone's life around you changes. And I had heard these things before, and I used to say these things. After COVID, I got a chance to experience these things. So get true to yourself, see your truth, and work on yourself. And keep working with all the amazing things that you all are doing with the personalized stuff, the clothes, and that's all fun. All of that is fun. Keep having more fun. And that's the way you live your life. But have fun in every aspect, not just one area of your life. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you. Thank you. I shall send you my links where you can follow me and join me on any of my workshops.
Thank you so much. Please post your contact details on the chat box, Mehak.
Sure.
And
Sure.
we have done with the royal members, and now we will be starting with the next set of our members. So I would like to welcome Shimul Bhatt from Mumbai. Shimul, can we please see you?
Yes, ma'am. Am
Hi,
I?
Shimul.
Hi, how are you, ma'am?
Good. We can see you and we can hear you as well.
Yeah, so I'm very glad to be one of the V members, and thanks a lot, Chaitali Di, because I can say that because of Chaitali Di, I have, and because of this V group, I have got a very good clientele, and which has really supported me in this journey of my entrepreneurship. So basically, my name is Shimul, and I'm founder of J. Jodas Impacts. I'm dealing in lots of wide range of home decor like bed sheets, quilts, bed covers, dohers, then cushions, table runners, etc. And everything is of cotton, pure cotton, and in the indigo, hand block, handloom, katha work. So all our products I'm sourcing from artisans of Rajasthan and Gujarat. So basically, I'm promoting our Indian art and culture, and also I'm trying to help the artisans through J. Jodas platform. And I'm very happy to announce that just recently I have got some international orders from UAE and Australia. So that is one more ladder. One more step in the ladder. And thanks a lot, Chaitali Di, for everything. My website is www.jjodas.com, and I'm there on FB and Insta handle as jjodas. And also, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो रहे हो आपके होम डेकोर से, if you want to change the home decor routine से, आपको कुछ different exciting चाहिए, so come on 8th August. I'm coming with a very good collection of bedsheets, dohers, and with a lot of festive offers. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Shimul, and you will also get her products on b-online.com, and definitely we would like to see your more products on 7th of August exhibition. Shimul, I'm really eager to purchase from you. In fact, I had purchased last year also. They were really very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, I would like to welcome Sanskriti Pandya from Thane. Sanskriti, can we please see you? Sanskriti Pandya.
Hello.
Yes,
Can you hear
Sanskriti,
me?
we can see you. Yes, we can see
Hello.
you. Yeah.
Okay. So I am Sanskriti Pandya. And my brand name is Sandhu. Basically, I'm in a handmade jewelry, and my all the collection is made by our local artisans like tailors and potters and different kind of the things. So I will introduce my collection to show you some. I don't waste your time. And yes, we have this kind of marble jewelry, this kind of hand painted necklaces. These are the original Afghani collection. These are not of fake oxidized. These are the silvers. These are the terracotta. These are again this again hand painted. This is rope, and this is our very hot selling fabric collection. People really very like this much, and this is the shells choker necklace made by a local artist, and this is the brass, and this is our new collection we are going to launch tomorrow, but today I think we have a meet, so I should show you. These are the small minimalistic animal jewelry, earrings, finger rings. These are the fabric earrings. So we have this kind of jewelry, different kind of, which are quite unique and sustainable also. We give you a very best service because our artist has done a superb job, as you have seen. Please come our exhibition on 7th of August, because we are launching many more few things in this. And please keep in this group, because this V group is very fantastic, and Chaitali has done a superb job with all the group. She has given me a very good contacts and business, and thank you so much, Chaitali, for this
Thank you.
opportunity.
Thank you, Sanskriti. Thank you so much. And recently, I have also purchased beautiful neck pieces. Last year, also I purchased very beautiful, pieces she has. You can all see them on v-online.com, and also please come on 7th of August to have a look
Yes,
at her product.
especially I'm launching 2 more range on 7th of August for our V group only. I'm not disclosing anywhere else. Only I'm disclosed at our exhibition only. So please feel free to join and have a look of my artist hard work. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanskriti. Please put your contact details on the chat box so that people
Sure.
can connect you personally.
Sure. Thank you. Sir.
So next, I would welcome Anindita Banerjee from Nagpur. Anindita?
Yeah, Chaitali.
Hi, Anindita. How are you?
Hi, thanks. I'm very well. I'm not very well. Hi all. Remember, मैं बहुत दिन बाद एक्चुअली आप लोगों को सबको ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं नागपुर से 40 किलोमीटर दूर मौदा टाउन है, वहाँ पे रहती हूँ. मेरे हस्बैंड एनटीपीसी में हैं, तो हम लोग एनटीपीसी टाउनशिप में रहते हैं. तो ड्यूरिंग पैंडेमिक वी आर नाउ ऑलमोस्ट लॉक्ड इन आवर टाउनशिप, नॉट ओनली इन आवर हाउस. तो ऐसा हुआ कि मैं स्टार्ट की थी 2 साल पहले आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी बनाना. तो मेरे टाउनशिप के अंदर ही मेरे सेल्स जितने चल रहे थे, थोड़ा बहुत शिपिंग मैंने स्टार्ट किया था. एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस लॉकडाउन कम. और मेरा 1 साल से मैं सब बंद हो गया पूरा टोटली. मैं जो है मेरे जो हेल्पर एक थी वो भी आना बंद हो गई. एंड देन मुझे थोड़ा आर्थराइटिस का प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा ज्वेलरी अपने आप में मतलब नहीं बना सकती, मुझे एक हेल्प चाहिए होता है. तो मेरा टोटली बंद हो गया था. देन क्या हुआ कि अभी जैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा लूज हो रहा है लॉकडाउन एंड ऑल, अभी भी मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती कहीं. मतलब लिटरली मुझे परमिशन लेके जाना है. एंड स्टिल नाउ मैं अगर कहीं 1 नाइट भी कहीं पे मैं रुक के आई, तब भी मुझे यहाँ पे 1 वीक to 14 days डिपेंड करेगा कि कहाँ मैं गई थी. तो मुझे क्वारंटाइन रहना पड़ेगा. तो मैं बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बहुत मतलब बहुत कुछ करने के ट्राई करते 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 अभी मैंने ज्वेलरी में मैंने एंटर ही किया था कि मेरा ये बंद पूरा टोटली बंद हो गया. चैताली से मैं जुड़ी हुई थी बहुत साल पहले से, जबकि चैताली का श्रीओम चैताली स्टार्ट कर रही थी तब से. उसके बाद मैं जब ज्वेलरी में बनाना स्टार्ट की, तब मैं चैताली को इन्फॉर्म की. एंड चैताली मुझे के साथ मैं नागपुर के एक प्रोग्राम में भी गई हुई थी. देन मेरा एक लास्ट ईयर जो हुआ एकदम पूरा बंद. and now and then after all that I'm again trying to start actually. कि मेरे पास जो मटेरियल्स थे मैं बाहर से अभी और चीजें ला भी नहीं पा रही. एक्चुअली कुछ ऑनलाइन बाय फोन एंड ऑल दैट मैं कुछ चीजें मंगवाई थी जो मटेरियल अच्छे नहीं आए थे. तो मैं वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी नहीं मुझे मिल रहा है. बट मेरे पास जो मटेरियल्स थे उसी से मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ बनाने के लिए. ऑब्वियसली मैं भी 7th अगस्त को आऊंगी. एंड प्लीज आप लोग देखिए मेरा प्रोडक्ट और आप लोग कैसे.
Definitely. Don't lose your confidence, Anindita. You don't lose your confidence. We is there. Our motto of we is we grow together. So don't worry. You will do well, and we all will join and purchase your products on 7th. I think some of your products are already available on v-online.com.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
मैं एक बार रुचि को भी थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ. 1 साल से मैं रुचि की एक शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर यूज कर रही हूँ. माय हेयर वाज so rough, so much rough.
Thank you, Anindita.
रुचि मेरे ये लॉकडाउन में काफी प्रॉब्लम था रुचि के प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे पहुंचाने का। रुचि नागपुर में भी मेरा नागपुर में मेरे प्रोडक्ट पहुंचाई, और स्टिल नाउ आज भी रुचि मैंने वायरस किया, और शायद आज रात को ही मैं फिर से तुम्हें मैसेज करने वाली थी।
Thank you. So let's take this offline.
Okay, thank you so
you.
much. all
Thank
of
you. Thank you, Anandita. I'd like to welcome Chaitali Pathak from Pune. Chaitali, you're there. I know that. Hello, I just saw
hi.
you.
Yeah.
Hi, Chaitali.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Chaitali. So,
Hi, we
first
can't
of
see
all-
you, Chaitali. Please
Oh.
switch on your video.
Yeah. Can you see me now?
No.
Oh, can you see me now?
Yes. We can
Yeah.
see you.
Hi, everyone, and thank you so much. First of all, to Chaitali for this wonderful group called We, which is really great, and it's a great thing that we all are attached here, connected here, because it gave me a different level of clientele here, because I was doing it for a long time. I'm a reseller. So I was reselling my products for a long time, but as I joined V, I really got good connections and good customers from V. So yeah, it's a growing phase, and it's very nice to be with V always, and the way the things they do, like always come up with new ideas and social connects. It's really nice to be a part of V. Always love to be here, and that is all about me. And what I do is reselling for home decor and beautiful jewelry and whatever you need. All your offline needs are fulfilled on my online store. So I run a brand called the Shopaholics Arena, and you'll surely find all quality products here. I've been doing it since 2 years, and being connected with V also around 1.5 years back. I connected with V. So it has been a good experience, and thank you, V, for this opportunity, and would like more people to connect. Surely, I've connected in different groups now, so it's really nice to know new people, and very happy about it, and doing good. So thank you, V, and yes, we are
Thank you.
all connected. So good luck to everyone.
Thank you so much, Chaitali, and she really has beautiful products and very customized products, and I have also purchased a couple of products from her. In fact, V online store also has her products, exclusive products. She has sold through V's online store as well.
Yes,
And
yes.
she is also present in all the groups in Mumbai, to Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Assam, Singh, all the groups she is there. Anybody who wants to join all the groups, you can connect me later personally. Okay. Thank you, Chaitali, so much for wonderful introduction.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to thank you. Yeah. Next, I would like to welcome Mansi Vaghmare from Thane, Kalyan. Mansi, can we please see you? She is our new member. This year she has joined. Mansi.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, hi Mansi. Very good to see you. She has wonderful products. I will be definitely purchasing them, Mansi. But the products which I have seen, they are really good.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Mansi. I am placed in Kalyan. So we are running our bakery since 2018. Our cake shop name was Lo Affetto. So still we are running that, but during this pandemic, we came up with healthy products, because people think that bakery hai, so it's a myth that people don't make healthy products in bakeries, but that's not true. So during this pandemic, we came up with healthy products. We have named it as Fit Bites. So in that we have 4 flavors. Right now we have 2 flavors which are on Amazon and Flipkart. That is multigrain and whole wheat. So the main USP is that we have roasted this product. We don't use maida. It is made in organic jaggery powder. These are the main USP of the product, and I think everyone should try it, because everyone after this pandemic has come to know that health is so much important. Maintaining immunity and health is very important. So I would just like to show this is one of the product. This is wheat and this is multigrain. So probably I would just like to ask even Chaitali later on that on 7th if we can showcase our products as well over there.
Yes.
Yeah.
7th August, you can showcase your products, Mansi. Yes.
So looking for
And Chaitali, your presentation on 8th of August. Yes, Mansi. Carry on.
Yeah, so looking forward with people who can resell our products or who has good clientele with people who are health conscious, who are nutritionists or dietitians, so they can connect. Thank you.
Absolutely, Mansi. I would request you to please post your products daily, and also I mentioned that you are looking for resellers and you're looking for nutritionists for association. Please do that. In fact, all over India also people can connect Mansi for her products because I think she is present online through Amazon as well. Right?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mansi.
Thank you.
Next, we have Anushka Khanna from Mumbai.
Hello, Chaitali.
Anushka. Hi, Anushka. How are you?
Hi,
Good to see
I'm
you. Yeah?
good. Thank you. The same here. Hi, hello to everybody, all the dear friends here. I live in New Bombay and I'm an edupreneur by profession. So I got connected with Chaitali about a year ago. Yeah, exactly a year ago, sometime during the COVID. I teach Singapore style math to school children. The minute I talk about math, not only kids but even parents get worried and scared because I think it hasn't been quite a favorite subject of most of the people here. But when I speak about Singapore style math, it doesn't mean that, you know, math is not 2 + 2 = 4 in Singapore. It's the same thing, but you know what is so unique about their style is just the way they deliver it to children. So it's not procedural, you know, they wouldn't teach the kids the methods or the formulae or, you know, how. It's not the how first, it's the why first. So that when the kids understand, they start to connect with the subject and they tend to return to it on their own, you know, without too many reminders from their educators or parents. In the same way where, you know, you don't really need to remind them to pick up their device and play a game. So it's very competitive. The content is very competitive, and quite ironically, we got more presence, more visibility in COVID because there were a lot of conscious parents who knew about Singapore maths, but they could not really physically reach us because of either the distance or the timing not matching their prior commitments of kids. So now that we are all online, this experience is beautiful because we've got kids from, of course, all over India. Apart from that, I'm tutoring kids in America and Singapore as well. So I will leave my contact details, but I can only assure you one thing, that I am not a math person myself, but everybody can love math. And then once they love math, then they can do math. So do connect with me for trial classes and then more next time on 7th of August. But thank you so much, Chaitali, for this platform. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Anushka. Anushka, please mention about your next exam that is happening on 31st July.
Yeah, so
Please
on
mention that.
31st of July, we have this Philippines Olympiad. It's the first year of Philippines Maths Olympiad that's happening. We were trying to bridge, you know, this gap between, you know, throwing the kids suddenly into competitive exams much later on, of course, after a 10th or a +2. We are trying to teach them to reason and to apply logic much earlier by putting them into competitive situations. Of course, currently we are not providing any training because we are only 2 weeks away from the exam, but there will be an orientation on 25th that will guide kids on what to expect for the exam, what kind of questions you can expect, you know, and how to deal with them. So, you know, for a starter, it's a beautiful experience because it's an international exam that kids are, of course, going to give in the comfort of their own homes, and it's the content is going to be less tougher or competitive than Singapore, but way higher and more on practical grounds. So they wouldn't really be connecting a particular concept only because it is a part of their academic journey or just because they have to do it in that year, but they have to understand that this is actually playing an active role in my practical life. That's the whole idea. So please do join us for an orientation as well. I will be posting my details so that you can connect. This exam is for school kids, and it goes up to grade 11. So from kindergarten to grade 11 is when this exam is open for kids of those grades. Thank you.
Thank
All
you
the
so
very
much,
best.
Anushka.
All the
Yeah,
very
thanks a
best,
lot. We
Jerry.
will see your presentation on 8th of August. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to welcome our member from E4BM, Enclave for Businessmen, Krish Gada, who is the youngest entrepreneur in our group.
Hello, Chaitali ma'am.
Krish?
Hello, Chaitali ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, Sonia.
Yeah, Krish is not here right now. So, but he has
So we
told
can
that
see-
thank you. The connection is not that great, ma'am. But we want, but it is like he wants to thank you for such a good platform. And we is the only platform which has pushed him and given a lot of coverage. And Mehman will be always be gratitude because you are his godmother. Thank you, Chaitali, so much for him.
Sonia, let me tell you that it is it is his efforts as well as you are a mother, your efforts. So, it is very important to respect the efforts of Krish. And what exactly is Mehman all about, if you can explain?
Yeah, Mehman is actually this venture by this 14-year-old boy. And this is basically into plant luxury gifting. And very soon we will be coming out with new products and new stuffs. If I can, I will surely share some more products and send it across. And we would like to thank Chaitali from bottom of our hearts because she has been our support, not from here, but from the first day of Mehman. So 3 cheers for Chaitali and WEE rocks. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for joining in. Sonia, please put your contact details over here so that people can connect you. Very beautiful plants and various other gifting items she has. Next, I would like to welcome Anu Kapoor, who is our another new member from this year. Anu Kapoor ji, can we please see you?
Oh, yeah, Chaitali. Can you see me now?
Hi.
And can you hear me? Hi.
We can hear you, but we can't see you. We can hear you,
my
but we can't see you.
Okay. Now you can see me.
Now we can see
you can see. Yes.
we can see.
So, good evening, everyone. This is Anu Kapoor and Home Baker. And I am working under a brand named La Parfait. So, in our brand, we bake all types of cakes, cookies, anything in baking you ask me, I do for you. And we take special care of hygiene, and we use all premium products for our cakes, cookies, for our breads and everything. And my USP is brownies and theme-based cakes and healthy tea time cakes, especially my quinoa cake and my almond cake. I try to avoid colors and artificial flavors. So I go with the natural flavors. So the shelf life of my product is also more. And many of my people have tasted my cakes, so they can give the better view of my products, how they are. Chaitali, I'm waiting for your order still. So
Yes,
it is
definitely. And we are also looking forward your presentation of 8th of August. So you must have beautiful slides with your beautiful cake.
Definitely,
you.
and thank you very much. Thank you very much, we members.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Anuji. Next, I would like to welcome Gauri Joshi from Pune.
Am I audible?
Gauri Joshi from Pune.
Okay.
Gauri, we can't see you.
My camera is on.
Yes. Now we can see. Yes.
Okay. Wash your
Yes,
hands.
Gauri, please.
Wash your hands and say your prayers because germs, God and germs are everywhere. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Gauri Joshi. My brand name is Ethereal by Gauri. I am into business of homemade cosmetic products from last 3 years. I make variety of homemade products like soaps, lip balms, creams, body butter, face scrub, body scrub, etc. I also customize them as per your requirement. I can provide hampers for various occasions like birthday, marriages, and many more. I also conduct workshops. All my products are made using natural and organic ingredients only. So, and thanks Chaitali, thanks Sanchali, thanks V for giving me this opportunity and giving me this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Gauri, for this wonderful introduction. We are looking forward to see your presentation on 7th of August. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So next, I would like to welcome Ruchika Gupta from Mumbai. Ruchika, can we please see you?
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, it's good evening now. We started in the afternoon and now it's evening. So my name is Ruchika Gupta, and like Chaitali said, I am from Mumbai. I have 2 ventures, and through both my ventures, I'm spreading happiness. So my first venture is Karmik Tamasha, whereby I am a happiness coach into counseling, and I do counseling based on the concepts of yoga and some concepts of spirituality as well. So that's the USP about my counseling. And my second venture is very close to my heart. It's about experiential travel. The name of the venture is Travel Dosti ETC. I have been a travel enthusiast ever since I remember being Ruchika. So I travel to a lot of places and I bring back that research for my clients. People can avail these services through 2 modes. One is obviously travel consultation when they are planning for a trip. And second is they can subscribe to the travel updates. There's a yearly subscription. So I will speak more about it on 8th of August. As Chaitali's mentioned, it's for the services on 8th of August. And look forward to making you happy in either of the 2 ways, either making you travel or if you need any help in counseling, which I hope you don't. But if you do, then yes, you can contact me. Thank you so much. I'll put the details in the chat box. Thank you, Chaitali.
Thank you.
It's been a
Thank
year.
you, Ruchika. Thanks. Thanks a lot. So next, I would like to welcome Shanti Parnani from Kolkata. Shanti, can we please see you?
Hello, everyone. I am Shanti
Hi,
Parnani. How are you?
Good.
I am owner of Shubham Shanti Creatives. Shubham Creatives is known for their hampers, basket, and metal items, home decor products. और सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात यह है कि अब शुभम क्रिएटिव्स काउंटर पे भी आ गया है. आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. थैंक यू Chaitali.
Thank you so much, and we would like to see your products on 7th of August. Hope you are ready. Thank you. So next, I would like to welcome Kuheli Banerjee from Kolkata again.
Hello.
Kuheli
Good
Banerjee.
evening. Yeah.
Yes, good evening, Kuheli. Hi.
Hi. Just a minute. Hello, I am Kuheli Banerjee, representing my company, Delish Bakery. Basically, I'm a home baker, and eggless baking is my specialty. I do bake cakes, cupcakes, muffins, breads, cookies, entremets, and savories also.
Okay.
So
I keep
is my
on seeing
introduction.
your
Thank you.
products in the Kolkata group, but I can't order them. But whenever I will be in Kolkata, I will definitely order, and definitely I'm going for a very short trip in Kolkata for a couple
Sure.
of days at the end of this month.
Love to
Okay,
serve
but
for
I
you.
really don't know how much I will be able to see you all. Thank you, Kohli. Thanks a lot. Bharti Srivastav. Bharti Srivastav, I have seen you. भारती जी
Hello,
कहाँ
Chaitali.
पर हो आप? हाँ, हाय. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Bharti ji
Hi.
from Mumbai.
हेलो सारे
member.
वी ग्रुप के मेम मेरा नाम भारती श्रीवास्तव है, मैं होम शेफ हूँ और मेरे ब्रांड का नाम द फ्रेंच हलवाई है, जिसमें वैरायटी ऑफ पिकल्स हैं, चॉकलेट्स हैं, स्नैक्स हैं, स्वीट्स हैं, इंडियन फूड्स हैं, तो सभी हम ऑर्डर पे ही बनाते हैं। और अभी हम 6 महीने से इस ग्रुप में जुड़े हैं, हमको रुचि श्रीवास्तव ने इस ग्रुप में जोड़ा, इसके बारे में बताया। पहले भी हम बनाते थे, बट वी ग्रुप के जुड़ने के बाद हमको बहुत फर्क पड़ा है हमारे बिजनेस पे। थैंक यू चैताली, थैंक यू रुचि, एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you. Bharti ji ka maine I have already tasted your pickles. They are really very very tasty, homemade, proper homemade pickles, and really मैंने आपका जो मिर्ची का अचार वैसा मैंने कहीं नहीं खाया है. I'm going to order it soon again. Very tasty.
Very true.
Thank you. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Alka Naik from Mumbai. Can we please see you, Dr. Alka Naik? Dr. Alka ji, I think I saw you.
Yes, I'm here.
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah.
Long time. I think after
yes.
2 years, 3 years, we are meeting, I think. More than 2 years.
Every day is a busy day. Though I am retired, but still I'm on every day. So I just would like to introduce myself as basically I'm a professor of economics and currently working as a principal administrator in Kandivali College. But my hobby and all my likings are towards all kind of art, literature. I'm a poet, writer, editor, and journalist. All such kind of activities I'm doing, and especially for counseling of the students. I'm a counseling psychologist for the students as well as ladies, those who are having any such kind of problems. So I'm doing it as a social service, free counseling to them, any depression patients, and also I try to help them out because as social service, you can always reach to those who really are in need, but they cannot pay more. And that is why I'm there. I'm working for women empowerment, especially in rural areas, that is a Konkan area and Pune area. As I remember, I must have talked to you, that I would like to bring these people in our group. Only the thing is, everybody is not so much well versed with English, and that is why they are scared of joining such kind of groups. So I want to make them sure about all such things. Recently, even yesterday also, we had the workshop for women entrepreneurs, and as we met in the last exhibition and entrepreneurs training session, as you also came as a chief guest in Kandivali, correct? So from that time also, I'm just in having this kind of things that we should do something for them. So I'm trying to bring them on this platform, that is the city platform, especially because they do not have the market there. We have started with my Matrubhumi Gruhodyog. So my Bhumi Gruhodyog, like that, we are bringing their products here and selling it in the Mumbai area for selling. So this is the main thing which we are trying to do. At the same time, as an educationist, I was working for YCMOU Open University as a coordinator. There also, I am very happy. I got the appreciation by, I received a gold medal for spread of education. And I try to help people to come to this kind of platform where they can express themselves. Whether he is an auto fellow, that he also needs some basic education for the license. And that is what we are trying to coordinate for such kind of universities also. Then my another very important thing is, though I am connected with many of the foundations, Preeti Gandha Foundation, as well as Tejaswini Samstha, and there are so many other NGOs where I am working for them. Sainik Bharati Association, also Humanity Foundation, I am working for. But everywhere my main message is for organ donation and hair donation. Now the hair donation concept, I want to tell everybody that there are patients, cancer patients, the ladies, those who, because of the radiations, they are in a very bad situation, first of all, physically, financially, at the same time. When they lose their hair, then that becomes a very depressive situation. So we have AMOG Foundation, where we are having Grow and Give. This is the idea. So we grow the hair and cut it and donate it for the wig making of these ladies. And this way I want to tell everybody that we are going to the parlor and we, all of them, majority of the people are just throwing it away like that. But here, at least 10 inches length hair, if you have, you can donate it to this Grow and Give organization, which will help some such needy people, because making such kind of wigs are very, very costly otherwise. So we are doing it for them. And I'm working as the Vice President for the Akhil Bharatiya Marathi Sahitya Parishad Konkan region, as well as I was felicitated as Corona Warrior 2 times. And because I am helping those people, those who are either they are in the hospital, or that time also I help them. Then here I just want to give one more important information about, as I have received a humanitarian award, apart from so many other awards which I have received, more than 75, but this is the Indian Pinnacle Association's award I have received. And here I am trying to help the ladies, those who are running their own taxis. If you have heard Pink Cabs, that is the Taxi Women's Association. So I want all the ladies to help them, that if whenever you are traveling out of Bombay, or they are running in Mumbai, as well as Mumbai Nasik, Mumbai Pune, the ladies taxis are run. Only the thing is, during this pandemic, the situation was so worse that their website also is crashed and they could not update it. But still, then the phone number is there that I will share, so we can help them out in this situation. Because getting the lady driver, training them and making them self-sufficient, that is a very big work Mr. Zarina Beg has done, and I'm just helping them out. So these 2-3 things which I wanted to tell everybody, that you also can support them, help them. And Chaitali ji, I just would like to introduce myself, though I'm not in any such kind of business. My daughter has started her own business, though she is a triple postgraduate, and having taken care of her daughter during this pandemic situation, she also started her own business at home. And I'm bringing her to this platform, but it will be after some time, because right now she is busy and expecting her second child. So I wish that after this we will be bringing my daughter, because all the time she says, "What, mommy, what are you doing for everybody? So you should do something for me." I told her that you have to communicate and bring yourself to this platform. But they have their own websites and all, everything. My knowledge is sufficient. But apart from that, what I feel that the social contact, mouth-to-mouth publicity is very, very important, which I think she will realize when she will come to this platform. So her website's name is whitelilybows.com. She makes bows for the little ones. That is a variety of things, and she has started it with her own ideas. I'm just helping her out now. So I am very much thank Chaitali ji. I am very much happy, and I wish all the success to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Alkaya Naik, and I would like to associate for our We Weavers India project for your rural women entrepreneurs. We'll
Yes.
definitely tie up.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You can put your contact details. There are a couple of more women entrepreneurs who can associate with you because there are women entrepreneurs who are trading products of rural women entrepreneurs.
Sure,
So
sure.
please put your contact details at the chat in the chat on the chat box. Thank
Thank
you so much. Next, I would like to welcome Gauhar Kazi. Gauhar Kazi, थोड़ा सामने आएंगे. आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कीजिए और अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को. Gauhar Kazi, Naz products from Naz Beauty Products. Gauhar, we can't hear you. Gauhar.
हाय चेताली जी, आवाज आ रही है?
Hi Gauhar, yes. हाँ, आवाज भी आ रही है, हम देख भी पा रहे हैं आपको.
ओके.
कैसे हो?
हाय एवरीवन. अच्छी हूँ. हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज गौहर काजी, फाउंडर ऑफ नाज स्किन केयर. हम घर पे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं, जिसको जैसी प्रॉब्लम है उस हिसाब से वैसी सॉल्यूशन देते हैं. जैसे कि पिगमेंटेशन हो या पिंपल हो या हेयर फॉल हो या डैंड्रफ हो, हर एक इसको कस्टमाइज करके प्रोडक्ट देती हूँ. जैसे जिसको जैसी प्रॉब्लम है उस हिसाब से एनी टाइम कभी भी कॉल कर सकते हैं. आपको कस्टमाइज प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स केमिकल फ्री है. नो एनी कलर्स, नो एनी हार्मफुल केमिकल, नो एनी प्रिजर्वेटिव. सारे नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स है. मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स को आज टोटली कल पूरा 4 साल पूरे हो गए. 2017 से स्टार्ट किया था. सो आपको किसी भी स्किन इशू हो तो आप डीएम कर सकते हैं. मैं अपना पूरा इन्फो चैट पे भेजती हूँ, सॉरी शेयर करती हूँ. और थैंक यू सो मच चैताली जी, जो आप हमेशा हमें सपोर्ट करती है और इसमें आगे करती है. एंड थैंक यू वी ग्रुप. और कुछ?
Thank you. Thank you, Gauhar. I'm using her beauty face this soap. This is really very good. If anybody wants to use their, I mean, whenever I'm going out, I definitely use that product. But really, I mean, it feels like I've done my facials. I mean, मेरा skin जो है ना बहुत चमकने लगता है आपका soap में. जिस दिन भी बाहर जाती हूँ उस दिन use करती हूँ. I really feel very good with that
चैताली
soap.
जी,
And your
ये लिपस्टिक
new
का
face
शेड
wash.
भी हमारा ही है.
Okay. And your new face wash which has come up, that is also really very good, Gauhar. I've used it. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you. And we will see her products on 7th of August. And she also is enlisted in v-online.com. Thank you, Gauhar. Would like to welcome Shrishti Chabria. Shrishti is the newest member. She just joined today, few hours back. Shrishti Chabria from Mumbai.
Hello.
Shrishti, can we see you? Yes, Shrishti.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Shrishti. Welcome to We.
Thank you so much. It's so wonderful hearing all the lovely ladies out there and getting associated with We Entrepreneurs Women Group. It's really nice. So I'm basically a startup and I've started my new venture into food products. We're into marketing of fox nuts and I have my own line of Evil Eye jewelry. So we get all our Evil Eye products from Turkey. Like basically we customize them. But the Evil Eyes are imported from Turkey. They're genuine beads. And currently, due to the lockdown situation, we have a fashion store jewelry also. But the store is shut. So, and honestly, I don't know what much to say because it's my first time that I'm connecting with such a group. But it's so nice hearing all the wonderful ladies. And look forward to a lot of social connects. And I think, as everyone says, women, we can grow when we all are standing with each other.
Thank you. Thank you, Shrishti, for lovely introduction of yours. And we look forward towards a long journey with We. And yes, you can showcase your products on 7th of August. We are eager to see your products as well. Thank you so much.
Looking
Next, I
forward
would like to
connecting that.
Yes. Next, I would like to welcome another member from E4BM Enclave for Businessmen, Mr. Ramachandran from Bangalore. Mr. Ramachandran, sir, you requested to please unmute yourself.
Oh, sorry. Is it okay?
Hello, sir. Welcome to Welcome to E4BM Enclave for Businessmen.
Thank you very much. So I have taken a mission to help people, and my mission is to see that everyone gets benefit. Now that lockdown has created a havoc in everybody's life, and moreover, the problem is actually most of the people have lost their job, their income has reduced, and so many deaths have taken place in the family, and there is nothing to support them. And we don't know how long it will take to come back to normal, but still we have an opportunity for the people to go ahead. Just substantial income also can be generated. The products are like this 100% Ayurvedic, advanced Ayurvedic. And recently we have launched 2 main products, especially for ladies. One is Nutri Cosmetics, which is an intake product. It helps the completely all womanhood. And similarly, one eye care especially for the ladies above 45 years. They can use this one so that the PCOD, everything can become compromised. They can definitely get the benefit out of it. And immunity booster, we have one wonderful product, immunity booster, which is the need of the hour, which is the first product of the company. And the company is based in Bangalore, and all the things are completely taken care of. And I have an opportunity to invite you, all of you, for Zoom meeting. Every day we have a training program. And today at present, 6 o'clock, there's a wonderful product. The training is also there. I would request I can just post the information to you. And whoever you got time, they can definitely join there. See for yourself. It's in Hindi. We have 5 languages are there. 6 o'clock Hindi, Kannada 7 o'clock, Tamil, Malayalam, every language is there. I would request you to all of you to just join. Spend about 1 hour. Is worth seeing it for an opportunity for you to help people to lead a healthy life. At the same time, economically, they can just come out of it. That's what I would like to mention about it. And of course, I will be taking part on the 7th, correct?
8th August. 8th August is your presentation.
And in fact, you have been actually giving a lot of support for me. I will definitely ensure that I'll make that product display on that particular day. Okay, thank you very much. So I'll post I post my website. I post my details.
Yes.
And please ensure that they take 15 minutes before that you just join there. Spend about 45 minutes to 1 hour. It's worth it. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies, we do have a enclave for businessmen for men in business. So if you have your friends, your relatives, your brothers, anybody who are into business, please message me so that I would like to add them. And definitely they also get this platform because a lot of men also have a lot of products for women. So definitely this will be helpful for various collaborations among women and men business entrepreneurs. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to come.
I would also like to mention here, and whoever wants to buy the product, they can buy it online store also. At the same time, I have made a mission. Whatever sale is taking place, a portion of that will be definitely donated for some charity organization. That's what I would like to mention about it here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
I can support V also.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Next, I would like to welcome Purnima Roy from Mumbai. Ladies, after this, we have one more, and then please don't go away because we are having our VPIC, which is very important. So Purnima from Mumbai, and then we have a couple of more of them, 1 or 2. Yeah. Thank you.
Namaste to all of you. And I'm a yoga trainer. I've also been certified by the Ayush Mantralaya and by the government of the yogic training. Right now, I'm majorly concentrating on yogic breathing, which is very important right now for the pandemic, during the COVID. Your lungs should be full of, there are 3 portions. This portion, your diaphragm and your lungs. So whatever you're taking, your diaphragm should raise up and your lungs should be full of oxygen. So what is the method to do? and the method to always keep on in along the equal breathing and equal inhalation and equal exhalations. Along with this, you have few pranic asanas, and also there would be, I mean to say, it will be totally customized as per your health. If anyone would want to be interested in the yoga, kindly contact me. But first, I would want to talk to them one-to-one about their ailments, about what they're facing, whatever, if high BP, if diabetes. So it would be customized as part. If he or she wouldn't be pushed for asanas, it will be only totally customized. Not also in a group. I would not push anyone in a group. First, I would like to understand the psychology, the physical attributes, what are you're facing right now. But you have to give me 6 months time to come out of those ailments, and it will be fine. That's all. Thank you so much, Chaitali ji. Even at the 11th hour, I've been in touch with you for long. And thank you, always inspiring me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Purnima has been in V since the launch of our event 3 years back. So thank you for all your support, Purnima. Next, I would like to welcome Kalyani Kamble. She is the most, she is has been with me since long. Kalyani, I have seen you. Kalyani, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Hi.
Yes, Kalyani is our royal member. She is there in V since the beginning, since before launch of V, official launch of V. We were only 12 members. We had our 12 members meeting in the month of Jan 2018. She is one of them, founder member, I would say. Thank you, Kalyani, for all your support. Over to you.
Thank you, Chaitali. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Once again, thank you, Chaitali. Good evening, everyone. I am Kalyani Kamble. I am a visioneering coach. I help business owners set, track, and achieve goals with a proven system called as visioneering. Visioneering is a combination of vision plus NLP mind programming techniques, which engineers the vision in your subconscious mind. Now, what happens when something is engineered inside you? Success becomes on autopilot. It goes on autopilot because all the success habits like decision making, waking up early, having excellent communication skills, being great at public speaking and networking come easily and naturally to you. And I work with business owners one-on-one with personal consultations. I also do corporate motivational workshops. I'm amongst the few trainers in India who conduct thrilling trainings like Fire Walk. I make you walk on broken pieces of glass. And these are wonderful, thrilling techniques which are not only fun, but they also help you overcome your fears. Because if there's one emotion that can stop you from achieving your highest potential and achieving all your goals, that is the emotion of fear and self-doubt. So that is what I work on in short. Once again, thank you, Chaitali. Thank you so much, and keep the great work that you're doing. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Kalyani. And I have attended Kalyani's visioning workshop, I think twice or more. And definitely this really helps ladies. If you're a startup or you're already into business and you are facing any kind of problems, you must go with her program. And this year also, we would like to have some programs with you. These are really amazing. I have some real life experiences which I have gained with this visioning workshop. You all must attend that workshop. Thank you so much, Kalyani. And finally, I would like to welcome Shruti Goyal from Pune. Shruti Goyal from Pune.
Yes, hi. Hi, Chaitali.
Hi, Shruti.
Hi, all.
Hi.
Hi, all we members. I came in between, so I don't know what exactly we was. बहुत बार बात होती है चिताली से, तो she always say come and see the group how it's going, and it's really very impressive the way it's going. So I'll shortly give my introduction to everyone. Hi all, this is Shruti Goyal from Pune. Bliss Basket is my name of venture. You keep on seeing the post. Actually, my sister-in-law introduced me, Swapna Goyal. So I was there before unpaid member. Now I am already a member, paid member. But I'm from Pune and I'm into gift packaging. We do all kind of wedding packing, all occasion packing, and the decor. We are into fresh flowers, artificial flower arrangements also. We do fresh flower jewelry, artificial flower jewelry also. I take lots of hobby classes also. That is online. Right now, I'm not taking one-to-one or either at my place. And my studio is in On. It's on Pune. So whoever wants to connect, they can connect, and they can see my page on Instagram, placebasket.pune. They can follow us there. So you keep on seeing my post there every day. Like I keep on posting. So thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Shruti. Last minute you registered, but yes, thankfully we were able to accommodate you.
So
Thank you
sorry
so much.
because I don't know lots of this thing. I'm keep on working, and because इतने सारे messages miss हो जाते हैं. I have store and it's more of creative work. So somehow I miss the communication in the group, and I don't keep on looking at the phone. So sorry for that.
I know. We all entrepreneurs are so busy, and that's the reason many of them ask me, why do you close the group for posting before the event? But it is very important to close the group before the event, because a lot of people miss the messages, important messages, and that's the reason we have to close the group for posting for one day before the event, so that you can, immediately you can scroll up and see the link or whatever or the registration link, and you can join these events. Thank you so much. Thank you each of you for attending today and making this event successful. So again, let me repeat that we have online exhibition on 7th August, which is National Handloom Day for people into product business. We have online presentations by members from service industry, training industry, and food industry on 8th of August. Panel discussions in September, pre-festive exhibitions online in October, and various offline events from November onwards we have planned. If you wish to attend and ask specific questions, you need to fill up the feedback form. Let me give you 5 minutes if you have not yet filled up the feedback form, and then let us all have a click. Dear all, please don't leave without clicking our V-pick. Okay, and yes, wear double mask, sanitize your hands at regular intervals, maintain social distancing, and yes, complete your vaccination so that we all lead our normal life very soon. Please don't go out. Remember, your family loves you. Stay home, stay safe. See you all on 7th August at 4 p.m. So let's have our group pick. And before that, I will give you just 2 minutes for any questions anybody has. Any questions?
What is that online store, Chaitali? I don't know about. I'm not aware about that.
Okay. We have our V online store. It's an e-commerce platform for women entrepreneurs where you can showcase where your products can be enlisted.